Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing rear brakes on 2014 Audi A6. The car has around 49,000 miles at this point. I was doing alignment not too long ago and they said, you know, there was about 25% of brakes left or so. So that was a few thousand miles ago. Decided it's time to do it. So we're doing brake pads and rotors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. To release the brake, so we can change the brake pads and the rotor, we need to release the electric brake. So we go to control module, 53 brake pad, then basic settings. You get a warning, don't break anything. And then we go start lining change mode and hit go. And you see this spinning here right in the corner. You can hear the brakes. Okay, this is done, it's running. So now we go change the brakes. Loosen that up. We might have to loosen up some hoses here to give us some room to work. Let's see what we got. This one. They're just U-shaped brackets in the back, so that's all we really need to do. This one, there's a plug here. Okay, we got that disconnected. And this, that should give us enough room to work with on this brake pad. Now we have 18mm socket. And this thing is stuck. So the bottom one is shorter, just to let you know. See, that's what I was talking about. We don't have enough room, that's alright. Lay in the back. And it's out. piston in. Now you see I got in there, and it's going in. That's it. Like that. Let's put the rotor on. Assembly is back on. Now we need 13 millimeter. That's what goes on the back here to remove the brake pad holder. Need to hold it with something else here. What is this? Okay, got that electric brake. Okay, I'll just sit here and back just a second. Now we can replace all of that junk. The clips. One, two, we're all good with the brake pads, except I don't know which one had the cutout. I don't think it matters on this side. On the other side there is a sensor, and I have new sensor as well. I do somewhere. Here is the sensor that goes in like this. There you go. Just need to slide it in. But that's for the other side, for the driver's side. I'm doing the other side right now. I thought I would show you that sensor that goes in the brake pad. So that's the brake pad in there that needs that cutout because the sensor plugs in. So. Close it. Okay, that's done. And yeah, that was actually it. Let's close it. Okay, so if you heard it, it closes and then it opens a tiny bit. Okay guys, so that was replacement of rear brakes on 2014 Audi A6. You know, I was, as you noticed, I was struggling a little bit with the rotor, but that's normal. But again, car hits 49,000 miles. I could easily do another, I don't know, 30 on this, looking at the brake pads, looking at the rotors. So no rush with that maintenance at all. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. More videos coming. Thank you. See you soon.